Hey gorgeous, what's up? It's your girl Lakisha. One of my favorite skincare treatments is applying a mask on my face. And the more natural I can make my beauty routine, the better. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite DIY masks. It's super simple and it includes two of my favorite ingredients. Of course, I'm talking about green tea and honey. Now green tea is an amazing ingredient for your health and your skin. And I love to use green tea because it's packed with powerful antioxidants that help to combat aging of the skin. The second ingredient that I'm talking about today is honey. Honey has definitely become a recent favorite of mine because of its properties for the skin. Honey has antibacterial properties, which means it's amazing for acne. It helps to prevent it as well as to combat the ones that are already active on your face. Honey also is packed with antioxidants for the skin, and it's super moisturizing. So if you have dry skin or dry patches, or just simply the weather has changed and you need some more moisture, definitely throw honey into your skincare routine. So today I'm showing you guys how to make my favorite green tea and honey facial mask. You can apply this under your eyes as an eye treatment or all over the face, whether you have active acne or not. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and click that big red button to subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So here's what you're going to need. For ingredients, green tea, honey, and aloe vera. For materials, a spoon, a bowl, and a container. You can add more ingredients if you'd like. Starting off with the green tea, go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut open the tea bag. Pour that into your bowl. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of organic honey. Lastly, take your aloe vera gel and add a few pumps to your mixture. And of course, mix well to combine your ingredients. When you're done, carefully pour it out into a small container and your DIY green tea and honey mask is ready to use. Go ahead and leave this on for about 15 minutes. When you're ready to wash it off, you'll reveal nice, clean, supple skin. And because this mask is made with honey, it doesn't strip the skin of any natural oils.
After 15 minutes, remove your mask with a clean towel and go ahead and moisturize as normal. Here I'm using my DIY beauty elixir. I made a video on this and you can find it linked down below.
So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. If you guys do try out this DIY mask, let me know how it goes in the comment down below. And girl, what you staring at? Go ahead and click over here to see some of my previous videos. Stay gorgeous, stay fabulous, and I'll see you lovely ladies and gents in my next video. Bye!